go do this quick, people. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'll do this side first. Shit on here. Been sitting in the back of that old Dodge for 6 years. Stopped working on this. Damn. One thing about this stapler though, if it gets jammed up, it's a pain in the ass. And of course I don't have my fingers. I have to go all the way to the shop and get it. more waste doing it this way, but okay. Put that waste up there, and it'll still be stuck down where it comes off. But you always want that shiny side to be a certain way because it'll stick on the other piece. Didn't get too dirty, but it got a little dirty. It's starting to feel it. My back, my neck and my back. Oh. Stick to the E. I'm gonna go get this fixed real quick and I'll be right back. So this staple right here, it's called the Ample Supply Company. I think it's 1-800-982-7100. And I'm not sure which one this is because all the numbers are wore off it. Oh, 1503 maybe? I don't know. But you do not need to use cap staples if you use this gun. So, something to think about. And the only spots I'm gonna nail this are on the seams and on the edge here. Alright, that's it. You do not need to do anything else here. This one on that side and that one on this side. Hopefully I don't fuck this side up. I'm gonna leave a little bit. Oh, there goes all my staples. Man, I just can't wait. Should we did it like that? That's it, guys. We're gonna I gotta do that edge over there, but you know, that stuff will last a long while. A long while. I'll get this little edge, and that will be that. Come on, man. Fucking forge. Face is fucking forge. Done a lot of roofs right on Lake Superior with this gun. And if you look up the winds on Lake Superior, you'll know that's a huge risk. With this gun right here, it's not a risk. Done. Good book. Once the heat sets into that ice and water guard anyway, that thing's gonna be stuck on there like Chuck. Anytime I did a big job for myself or for other people, I always did ice and water the whole fucking thing, especially on a second story tear off or something. Then you're covered. You never got to worry about damage because it's done. Pretty much that could stay like that for 5 years. I've done it. Matter of fact, this shed right here, I did that in 2012. That's how long that roof's been like that. That's the same thing. That's all it's got is ice and water guard on it. So, riddle me this, Batman. This fucker will be there forever. If I want to put something on there, I can. this in the shed here. Oh, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, you know what I better do, though? I'll give you a glimpse into here. Wore out. I'm wore out, guys. So I need to look at, we got one okra from my daughter. She planted this. Look at that. We got one. I was wondering what the hell that was. Maybe we'll be able to get seeds off it and plant it again next year. All my tomatoes, we ain't doing shit with them. I need to break them off and throw them to the chickens and shit. Ugh. They're really good. Everything's pretty much dying. My carrots didn't do worth a shit. Those tomatoes suck. These Romas, for some reason, they just do not. They look great, but watch this. Watch, this one's gonna make me a liar. Oh, it looked a little juicier. Look at it, it's so dry and mealy. I don't know why the fuck that is. Soil or something, maybe? So yuck. I'll never plant them here again. But all this stuff, I didn't do kohlrabi this year. My broccoli went into flower. I got one head here that didn't go into flower, but it's trying. Maybe I should pick that right now. Look at that. This is actually garlic. And supposedly you're supposed to leave garlic. There's another one. Leave the garlic through the winter into next year, and then it will become huge. Well, look, there's a baby tomato growing right now. Look at this guy. Let's pull this fucker out of here. Let's feed this to the chickens. I mean, you can eat that. You can eat the stalk. I love the stalks of these. You can eat them raw, even just peel that outside layer off. Yeah, chick, 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 chick. What else do we got in here? I wanted to do some more in the garden, but I think I'm gonna wait. I got a doctor's appointment. Or not the garden, in the fuck, man, I'm brain dead. Look, this guy is still producing. Kinda. And actually, look at this, guys. It's starting to produce again. I love these raspberry bushes. I think I'm gonna let them take over. We got tons of peppers in here. Pepper, pepper, pepper. Some big old dogs here, Anaheim peppers. These guys are going crazy. These guys are going crazy. This fucking guy is little, kinda. Got some bell peppers back here. They're hanging in there. Oh, that guy's wedged in there, no wonder. Yeah, everything's doing okay. We got one little crazy watermelon here. Oh, two. Hanging on for dear life. We got the biggest yellow squash I've ever seen there. Another one there, another one there. I think I'm gonna leave them potatoes in the ground till next year. Oh, we got a couple carrots here. Look at that. Wow. I thought you killed them all off. That tomato's dying. Everything's dying because we got no water. Oh, look at this. This guy only produced one time this year, and it's right now. Through the whole year. because it ain't warm out here. Out of all the berry bushes that I tell people to plant, these are the ones. These giant yellow raspberries are the best. They just keep giving fruit, man. I don't know, it's strange. What the hell's been living in there? Huh. Almost looks like something going right in there. Squash. I wonder who's been in here. Everything's dead. I wonder what these ones are like outside of the greenhouse. Oh, see, them ones are good. What the hell? A little mealier towards the top, but that was a good one. This guy starting to turn brown. A couple little baby beans. Squashy squashes. Look at them chickens been in here. Look at, there's another watermelon. Watermelons didn't do good. That dill is going into seed. These things are producing outside. All summer long, that's how I tricked my daughter. Look at these guys are gonna be good next year, I think. I'm gonna have to get rid of this tarp and kind of bring it down so they can spread, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, that's it. My onions all died off. I'm gonna have to dig them up. Let's see here. Look at little baby onions. What if I leave them in there till next year? I don't know, I might. There's a couple bigger ones in there, but that's the garden, people. As dimly as it is, look at this one's yellow. I'm gonna take that guy. Pick. Pepper. I like peppers. Gotta have peppers. Oh, man. Well, we got two things done anyway, hey? We're gonna pull this guy down. That's why everything's dying, because of the... One of these days I'm gonna get a gate built. I gotta get this thing closed up. Worst case scenario, I get some Tyvek and just Tyvek it. Basically be like, oh shit. Let's feed this thing too. Starting to feel a little ill. I gotta get out here every single day until it snows, or I'm gonna be in a world of shit. And now that I'm saying that, look at this blew off. I need a building. I was dead beat tired when I did that day too, and I'll show you where I went wrong. This is what you don't want. So, where did I see that? You can see right here how it's bent. I guess it's not as bad, but right there it bends up because all this weight is right here. And if you don't have your stickers all in a row all the way up, then you get that bend in it. So that's why stickering's important. And that's why I want to make this area nice and flat. It'd be nice to bring that mill shed all the way out to here and have that all for bunks of lumber. But you know, you can't have it all, people. All we can do is try. And this old boy is running out of steam faster than the goddamn train going through the goddamn Sahara Desert. I'm dying. It's killing me. Fuck. We still gotta go get all that wood from out back. I gotta check and see what time it is. And then we come in here to see this mess. Alright, we're gonna pull the skiddy steer in here so I can finish charging. Mr. Crowley, bow, bow, bow. My domain, people. This is where we make the magic happen. Here's our jerry rig pieced up. My little welds, hey? Welder, tell me you can't weld, but telling me you can't weld or cut a fucking straight line. Look at that, I gouged that out because there's a crack there and I forgot to weld it. Whoops. Other than that, she's getting there. We're gonna put wood on the bottom and then wood taper sides. I think she'll work out real nice. The back side here, I still haven't decided, but we're gonna have two sets of lights. I said that. This guy and this guy. Bop, bop, video. And then I got two lights on the skid steer, or on the side by side I'm gonna take off and mount up there in the corners for reverse lights. I don't know where I'm gonna put that license plate though. Oh, I'm dying. We'll have to get it on the truck and see where we can put this license plate. I was hoping to put it somewhere in here, but we might have to just put it here or something. If we put this here, we can put it sideways in here. I don't know. Put it there, I suppose. Either way, we gotta have a light. I got a light for it too, but the way that kind of worked out, it's kind of fish-fash, but it'll be all right. I had some expanded steel somewhere too, and I don't know where the fuck that went. Maybe I'll just get a piece for there. I could do louvers too, I suppose. I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave it open. Fuck it. I don't know. But that's it for me Have a good one, guys.
How many eggs you got up there from that old girl? 100?
8.
Holy moly. Okay, hold on. I'll grab you.